As with every niche, there are endless possibilities of topics once you dive inside. And utilizing AI, simply just opening up ChatGPT and asking it for topic ideas or specifically for content ideas of videos to create here on YouTube are ultimately endless. Where does this question come from? So over in my last video, Get Rich Niches on YouTube, we talked about this, and there was a question from, or a comment from a viewer. Can ChatGPT help give content topics if one has challenges creating constant content? Of course. So I replied and said, sure thing, give me a topic and I'll make a video showing how simple it is. Another viewer replied, may I join? Of course you may. Personal finance. So the idea here and the concept is go back to the other video, the Get Rich Niches on YouTube. No BS, Get Rich Niches. It's all about ideas and concepts of these 5 niches right here. The top 5 niches. The personal finance niche. Just simply start with what niches or what topics in this niche can we cover? Covering topics from debt reduction to cryptocurrency investing, and it talks about the CPM, the audience's active search for financial guidance makes this a lucrative area for monetization, but it also makes it a niche that is full or has endless content ideas based upon different topics. And the topics here from debt reduction to cryptocurrency investing. Let's just talk about debt reduction. So we're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to simply open up a new chat and we're going to just start. So I'm just going to say this. I'm going to start a new YouTube channel about personal finance and I want to cover debt reduction. Give me 5 video ideas with summaries for each video and a keyword for optimal SEO. I'm just adding little tidbits like that. Optimal keyword, or give me a keyword for optimal SEO. You could leave that off, but understand that you're probably going to want to get found in search. So it's a good idea to optimize for search engine optimization over on YouTube. Starting a YouTube channel about personal finance is a great idea. Here are 5 video ideas focusing on debt reduction, each with a summary and an optimal keyword for SEO. Video idea. Debt snowball versus debt avalanche. Which method is best? Honestly, I have no idea what that means. But in this video, explain the 2 most popular debt reduction strategies. Apparently, that is the debt snowball and the debt avalanche method. Break down how each method works, their pros and cons, and provide real-life examples of how they can be applied. This will help viewers decide which approach is best for their financial situation. Keyword is debt reduction strategies. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go to YouTube and I'm going to pop that in the old search bar there. Debt reduction strategies. There's another term, debt elimination strategies, another way to take this topic, but we're just going to hit enter to see what we get. And right here, after a sponsored ad, is the best way to pay off debt fast. And then here is pay off debt using the debt snowball. So there you go. It is a real thing that ChatGPT came up with, how to create a budget that actually works. Keyword, effective budgeting for debt reduction. Then there are other ideas. Again, that's 5 right off the top with this very simple prompt without setting any context, without thinking or overthinking and trying to tell ChatGPT what it is, what it needs to know about personal finance. It already has the information. You just need to start the conversation. So you go back and you look at this personal finance, covering topics from debt reduction to cryptocurrency investing. If you don't have an idea, there's links in the description that cover where I got this information for these top 5 niches. So just go to that article. The 12 most profitable YouTube niches ranked by highest CPM. Then you just scroll down, and here this article covers finance and investing, and it is talking about all the things that you need to do. Help your audience to make money, and you'll boost your earnings too. Channels that offer advice on financing and investing make a high CPM. That's because the niche typically attracts viewers interested in saving, investing, and managing money. Exactly the audience banks and investment platforms want to reach. So you're looking at this from the lens of what is personal finance all about? What do I want to talk about? Who do I want to talk to? What problem do I essentially want to solve? So we're talking about that's because the niche typically attracts viewers interested in saving and investing money. So we're going to copy that, and we're simply just going to go back to ChatGPT. Then we're going to go to the next article over at twobrinker.com. We're going to come down to personal finance. Here again, one of the best paying YouTube niches, or one of the best paying YouTube niches is the personal finance niche. Channels in this niche create content on how individuals can manage their personal finances, how to choose better financial products, and reviews on various financial apps. So here's what I want to do. I want to create content on all these things. And I just want to copy that. And I'm going to give this to ChatGPT. And I'm going to add one more from the other article in the video, or in the original video. I've linked all this in the description. And I'm going to scroll down, financing and investing right there. Here you have finance and investing. Here you have the examples from YouTuber Joshua Mayo. And of course, you could go over to his channel, look at his videos, and anybody else in this space. But you can add these right here. And you want to just copy this information again and give this to ChatGPT and just see where it takes you. If you're looking for a magic prompt, and I'll go back to the commenters, should Yusuf, if you're looking for a magic prompt inside of personal finance to create these video ideas, you're doing it wrong. Just follow what I've done here. Go back up, start with this very simple conversation. I'm going to start a new YouTube channel about personal finance, and I want to cover debt reduction. That was just an example. Pick something that you're interested in. Pick something that you want to learn more about, something that you want to do yourself, and then something you want to teach other folks. Then, if you like those ideas, go with it. If not, I want to create 10 more video ideas, but I want to add this information for you to help me create new video ideas for my channel, and taking the information that was in those articles that I shared with you in the original video and that we just looked at now, just paste this information in here about what is already working in this niche, and these are going to be the topics that it's going to create. This is just idea generation. You are literally just looking for topics and ideas to start creating consistent content, and now you have this list of 5 videos and these, not just these list of 5 videos, but all these things to study inside of the idea of debt reduction under personal finance. All these topics, for example, debt snowball versus debt avalanche, which is the best method. You're looking at debt reduction strategies. You can cover all that on your channel, and that's just one idea that ChatGPT gave you. Now we have an additional 10 with this additional information, so we're going to look and see what it came up with. Sure, here are 10 more video ideas for your personal finance YouTube channel, incorporating the additional information you provided. Video idea number 1, the keyword, best budgeting apps. You're going to look at the top 5 budgeting apps to manage your finances. You're going to you're going to create a video, how to start investing with little money. This is investing for beginners. So if you want to target beginners, which most likely you do, that's the video that you want to make. Maximize credit card rewards. Credit card hacks to maximize rewards. You can get into cryptocurrency. Now, I suggest that you focus and narrow down that niche, or narrow down inside of the personal finance niche that topic. So if you're going to talk about crypto, talk about crypto. If you're going to talk about credit card hacks, talk about credit card hacks to get started and creating this consistent content. But then you have how to build an emergency fund fast, best savings accounts for high interest, how to analyze stocks, 5 side hustles to boost your income. 5 side hustles to boost your income. Slow down, focus, to include me, slow down, look at the video idea, and then say, the ultimate guide to monthly dividend ETFs. Is this something I want to talk about on my channel? Is this something that I want to cover as a topic, as consistent content that I'm going to have to create? Do I want to talk about ETFs? Video idea, comparing investment apps. Which one is right for you? The first one started as, I believe, an app, the top 5 budgeting apps to manage your finances, and it ended with comparing investing apps. These ideas should help you create engaging and informative content and be consistent that appeals to viewers interested in managing their personal financing, choosing better financial products, and exploring investment opportunities. let's go back to this and let's say this right here real quick. Great. Now I'm simply just going to extend this conversation to wrap this up and to just end this and say, great. Now let's focus on for beginners, because we looked at all these, but I think most likely your focus is going to be on beginners. It's usually the best place to start, and you just tell it. ChatGPT, you tell it. Let's focus on for beginners. Give me 5 topics, all in the same subtopic of personal finance. Sure, here are 5 beginner-focused video topics within the subtopic of personal finance. Budgeting for beginners, how to create your first budget, saving money 101, investing for beginners, credit score basics, video idea, retirement planning for beginners, how to start saving for the future. These beginner-focused video topics should help you attract viewers who are new to personal finance and looking for straightforward, actionable advice to manage their money better. So now we're going to take that and we're going to do a little extra. And we're going to say, perfect, give me a list of 100 videos to create on my new YouTube channels that give actionable advice to manage their money better. That give beginners actionable advice to manage their money better. Now, you have defined the focus of your channel. You have defined what your channel is about. You're going to create a channel in personal finance, and you're going to say, hey, welcome to my channel. Create a name, or just use your own name and say, here on my channel, I give beginners actionable advice to manage their money better. Hit enter on ChatGPT, and now you have the reason for people to come to your channel because they want actionable advice and they're beginner, and your channel, your YouTube channel, is designed to give beginners actionable advice to manage their money. Budgeting for beginners, saving money 101, credit score basics, debt snowball, how to create 100 ideas, 100 videos that you could make. How to set up a trust fund for your children, how to save money on online shopping, how to use a spending diary, how to invest in dividend stocks, how to create financial planning, how to pay off student loans faster, how to save for a dream vacation. 100 ideas all right here for you to start creating videos. Should Yusuf, may I join? Yes, please do join me here on YouTube and create these 100 videos on your YouTube channel about personal finance and give actionable advice to beginners. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.